Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can cancel or if you can cancel your verification on Yubo. Yubo app is a newly made app made for messaging and chatting for people of age. And now to use Yubo, you need to verify your age. And if you don't verify your age, you will be blocked temporarily until you verify it again to actually use the app. Yubo is a short up messaging app and a dating app mixed in one. So to use Yubo, you have to verify your age, and once you verify, you cannot unverify or cancel your Yubo verification. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.